said, I could definitely use some help.
A wind advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 54 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, periods of heavy rain and windy. Snow may mix in late, low 36. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Thursday, sunny with gusty winds. High 43. Winds west at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy, low 32. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, folks, there's a lot of advice out there about colds and flu in the season and what you can do. Well, Jen Carfagno and Eric Fisher are trying to debunk some of those old wives' tales.
You too. I want you to go big or go home and be in it to win
Most
it.
competitive girl I know on the Weather Channel. So let's go.
Let's go.
Perfect. Let's get right into it. So, number 1, true or false? You'll get sick if you go out in the cold with wet hair.
No, false.
False.
You guys are both right, despite what Grandma told you. Colds are caused by viruses, not by being cold outside.
Perfect.
Then if it was just being cold, hair or not?
Nope, hair or not. Really, being cold has nothing to do with it. It's all about contracting a virus.
Gotcha.
True or false? Feed a cold and starve a fever.
True.
That one is actually, we'll call it a draw. It's actually half true. Frankly, you should feed both. When you have a fever, your metabolism is revved up, so you actually need more calories. So if you can hold it down, eating is good for both of those. Number 3, true or false? Avoid dairy when you have a cold.
I would say true.
False.
You know what? It's actually false. Eric's right on this one. He takes the lead. Really, there's no scientific evidence to show that dairy products increase mucus production, even though a lot of people think that they do.
All right.
Glass of
I
milk
believe
makes
you.
you strong,
I believe
too.
you, but I'm not. Okay.
Alrighty, last one. Here, we'll get a tie, well, almost a tiebreaker. You got to catch up. True or false? Have some chicken soup when you're sick.
Definitely true.
True. Grandma's right.
You feel better.
That is right. Grandma's right. And the University of Nebraska published a study showing that chicken soup cuts down on inflammation.